Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze forecast next week gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week we made massive profit from the gold trading. So link is below. You can join with gold trading community. So I'm in a weekly chart gold. This is the last week weekly candle. So this candle is the red candle, bearish candle. So sellers are dominant in this last week. Gold price pushed to the downside. So FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve American Central Bank paused the rate on 4.5%, and the Fed chairperson Jerome Powell was in hawkish tone in Fed conference. That's the strength of US dollar. FX Street mentioned gold price bounces from 1 week low as risks of impulse offsets USD strength. So dollar strength is strong with the last week FOMC meeting. So that is the main reason for gold price drop to the below side. So let's see that's the weekly chart. So I am going to the daily chart. So before that I am going to the Fed Watch Tool website. So next FOMC meeting is the July. It is 89%, almost 90% priced into the rate pause. 4.5 rate pause is the continuing. That is the impact of dollar strength, and gold can be dropped to the below side. So that's the Fed Watch Tool website indicates. So I am going to the again daily chart. So this is the daily chart technically picture. What says. So this trend line I am seeing, imported trend line, is there with the daily chart technically picture. So this trend line imported, I am seeing this trend line imported with the daily chart. Price now is in this trend line. 3368 is the last Friday in price. So geopolitical uncertainty, Iran Israel war is the key next week also. That is continuing big. So geopolitical uncertainty, trade war uncertainty, military war uncertainty continuing. That is support to the gold, push to the upside. So can be gold push from the upside from this trend line. So next level resistance 3400, and it next resistance 3500 plus 3400, next 3500. That is main reason for geopolitical Iran Israel war uncertainty. If continuing next week, that will help to gold push to the upside. You should touch with the military war uncertainty next week also if you are trading gold. So I am in a 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart I am seeing imported level. This is the imported level I am seeing with the 4-hour chart. Price is in now this imported zone. This is the level 3300, 350, 340 level. Price again push to the upside from this level. So this is the support level left side. You can see several times supported again last week. Support from this level 3340, 50 level, push to the upside from this level. So next resistance is that's the push from the upside support. So next resistance price can be continuing like this, and next resistance level is the 3400, 3390, 3400 is the next psychological resistance level, and price can be pushed to the upside, and resistance from here, this zone imported next week, and price not continuing like this with the dollar strength can be dropped to the below and retest. That is your sell opportunity. So that's your sell opportunity. Wait for the breakout this support zone and clear price action. Wait to see, and candlesticks action see in this level. So I'm telling imported zones if you are trading gold. So below target is the 3300 is the below level target. So next week imported economic events is the next week's US GDP report is there. So GDP quietly report 0.2% minus, and forecast also 0.2% minus 0.2% is the Fed forecast figure. And the next week Friday, PC price index is their personal consumption expenditure price index is the next week price. That's the more volatile economic event. So 0.1% and forecast is the 0.1%. That's the PC price index is the next week Friday. That's the main economic events next week regarding US dollar if you are trading gold. So let's see the 1 hour chart. I am seeing important pattern. 1 hour chart last week price in ranging in this pattern. This is the triangle pattern, descending triangle pattern. This is the for the downside. This is the last week price ranging in this pattern with the 1 hour chart technically picture. This is the triangle pattern. You can see price is continue to the downside to this from this pattern, triangle pattern, and last Friday this pattern break out to the upside with the geopolitical uncertainty. So we can see the last Friday this point price break out to the upside and retest. That's a buy opportunity you have next week. You should wait for the retest and price action in there. So next resistance target is the above 3400 is the next resistance level target. So before get the buy trade, wait for the price action. So already break out to the upside, but you should wait for the price action. This is the resistance level. So if not continue to the upside, so military war uncertainty cool down and the peace talks is there, that can be gold drop to the below side. So not continue to the upside, and like this not continue to the upside and break out to the downside. That's your sell opportunity in the below level target. 3300 is the first level target. So you should focus to always touch with the what the situation of Iran Israel war. This goal is the safe haven asset. I am already all videos I am telling this goal always reacted this as the safe haven asset. So safe haven demand, goal push to the upside, safe haven demand drop, gold drop to the below side. So that's the next week you can join with my group. Thank you very much.